Welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to improve sound quality on your AirPods with iPhone EQ. So grab your case, open it to connect with your iPhone. In our case this is iPhone XS. And right now you have to go to the settings, move to the music, and there is EQ, and there is a lot of options, so you have to test all of them and pick your best. I just did it, so going with Boost Buster. And yeah, thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments if you have any questions or if you enjoyed this video, and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya!